Hey there, gorgeous ones. How are you? Say hi if you are hopping on live with me. Say hi if you're on the replay. You can hashtag replay. Hopping on today to talk about a little minute training on how to manifest more money. Because I have noticed in the group that a lot of you are wanting to manifest more money into your life, which is quite understandable. I totally get it. Who wouldn't want more money? Give me an emoji in the comments if you want more money in your life. I want to know. Give me the money emojis. Woohoo! So this little training, just a quick little training on how to manifest more money. So the thing is, to manifest more money into your life, right? You've got to think about, what is that money going to give you, right? So you want more money. Let me know in the comments right now how much more money, let's declare it to the universe, how much more money would you like to manifest into your life as soon as possible? Like now would be good. Pop it in the comments. $1,000, $500, 10 grand, 20 grand, 50 grand. I don't know. What is it? What is the amount of money? Do this with me. What is the amount of money that you want to manifest into your life at the moment? What would be amazing for you? Pop it in the comments. And if you're on the replay, pop it in the comments as well. So you've got your amount of money. So say it's $1,000. Yay, Leanne. I said 1,000, but Leanne says 100,000. Woohoo! Awesome. So you've got your money amount, right? Now, hi, Leanne. How would you feel? So what I want you to do is, you've got your amount. Now close your eyes for a moment. Yeah, exactly, Leanne. Close your eyes for a moment, and I want you to connect with that amount of money and really connect with it. So you've got, say, for Leanne, she's got $100,000. We'll use Leanne as an example because the beautiful woman has put her amount in there and is, helping me out with this training. So you want your 100,000. So close your eyes, connect with the 100,000. Really connect with it. You just got $100,000 downloaded into your bank account. What are the feelings? What are you feeling from that? Let me know in the comments. What are the feelings that come up? So $100,000 has just been put into your bank account right now. How do you feel? Or whatever amount it is for you guys, whatever, you might have a different amount, okay? How do you feel? And I'm getting goosebumps because the energy is coming through quite strong at the moment. This energy around money. Let me know in the comments, how do you feel? And as I said, if you're following on the replay, put it in the comments. How do you feel? Beautiful, Leanne. Leanne feels secure and safe. And if I had it, if I had the $100,000 downloaded into my bank account right now, I would feel relaxed, calm, open, receptive, excited, fun, enjoyment, all of those kinds of things. Yes, stress-free, says Leanne. Yes. Now, here's the key. Because the thing is a lot of people think that we go out to get the money. We got to do something. That's how we've been programmed. I've got to do a whole lot of things to get the 100 grand, don't we? But that money sits where you are vibrationally vibrating at, emotionally. Okay? Has a lot to do with how you feel. Okay? So it's like we think that it's do, have, be. It's be, do, have, right? So we've got to be the emotion first. So you collect the emotions that you've got and think about in your life what activities you can do that bring those emotions to you. Because your world is created from internal first. We don't create it from the external inwards. We create it from the inwards to the outwards. It is a mirror reflection. So if we can feel, we'll take Leanne for an example, we can feel safe, secure, stress-free, relaxed and calm in our life, we will draw in and magnetize, that 100 grand or whatever it is we are manifesting. But do you agree that a lot of us have been taught that we've got to go out there and do to get what we want? Give me an emoji, hand up emoji, high five, whatever you got to give me. Do you agree with that? Because you've been taught wrong. It's more about the internal work. That's where it happens. That's where you create your money from, okay? Or anything that you want to create in your life. From the internal, then it's created in the external. And you draw it in. You magnetize it in. So, for example, Leanne, what could you do in your life that would help you feel stress-free? What could you do in your life that would help you feel safe and secure? What could you do in your life that makes you feel relaxed and calm? What are the activities that you can do that will activate those feelings? Because, we've got the emotional scale, the vibrational scale. If you've heard of it, let me know. And when we sit in the lower vibrations, it's harder for us to be connected to the universe and attract what we want, right? And so we've got to get into those vibrational frequencies. Because if we're sitting in fear, we're disconnected from the universe. I mean, we're never fully disconnected, right? We're never fully. We've always got some sort of connection, but it's like, for example, like a thin straw if we're in fear. But if we're connected through those higher vibrational emotions, we've got a tube coming in, connection from the universe, right? And so we've got to get into those emotions. Now, that's not to say, I'm not saying you can't feel lower emotions, because that's important too. But it's whether you let them flow through you. They're just energy. They've got to just come through and out. And you've just got to, they're just energy. Those emotions, the lower frequencies, are just energy. So if you are feeling fear around, the money side of things, let yourself feel it. And what I generally do is use EFT. Even though I'm feeling fearful right now, I'm scared, I'm not going to make any money, I'm not going to make the rent, and I let it go through, then it goes through, and then I can activate the higher frequency emotions, right? So Yes, awesome, Leanne. I'm glad I've retaught you because we have been programmed to believe the other way round. Do to get the money, right? That's really the long way, guys. When we get more connected, that is when we can start bringing in higher amounts of money and joy and abundance and fun and all the good things, right? So, yeah, think about that. What can you do in your life to activate those higher emotions? And then when you sit more in those emotions, you will draw and magnetize to you what you want. You will shift and change. It will happen. But you've got to be able to. So if you're in anxiety, you're not going to be able to attract the 100 grand or the 20,000 or whatever it is. Well, you might eventually, but it might take years. But if you can think about, just to wrap it up, the main thing is to think about the amount of money you want to manifest. And in the quantum physics way of manifesting, it's already done. So you put out your 100 grand. So Leanne, your 100 grand's there. It's there for you, right? It's just about you lining up with that. And you line up with that through how you feel. And then you get onto that frequency and boom, it comes in. And you know, Leanne, you've experienced it many times with the work that we've done here and things like that. And your own stuff that you do from what you've learnt and all of that kind of thing. And so this is what I really wanted to talk to you about today, guys, because everything you want's manifested. It's just whether you're in the vibrational frequency of it, right? And that's it. That's what it's about, okay? So get your amount, how you're going to feel when you have it, and then activate those emotions every single day. Make sense? It's simple, but not always easy for us because we've been programmed the other way and our brain works on the past. So if we don't start doing new things and reprogramming our subconscious mind, it just works from what we learn in childhood and it will just pull up the past all the time. That's why we need to clear that, and that's what I help people do, help clear that stuff to then focus on, well, what is it that you want to create now? Because most of the stuff is from childhood and you didn't have a choice because your survival depended on it. So you had to fit in and be bombarded with all this conditioning. But now you can sort of heal that side of you and then you can start to choose, well, hang on, what is it that I do want to program my mind with? What is it that I do want to create? Because you're older now. You can survive without your parents, hopefully. And so it's different. So you can come at it from a different perspective and start to choose what it is you actually want to believe. Does that make sense? Let me know. Alrighty, I hope this has been helpful. I'm going to hop off now and let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you're on the replay. This is a really, really cool little mini money training and I hope you take it into your heart because it will help you. Alrighty, bye.